Anonymous Pinoy Confessions. Waiting in vain. Dear Kuya, I hope this message finds you well. I just want to share something that has been on my mind and heart for quite some time. There's this woman that I really like, and a few years ago, I already confessed my feelings to her. She told me that she wasn't ready yet, and because of that, I chose to wait. It's been almost 3 years now, and we're still friends. Over time, I can see that there has been some progress between us, but I still find myself unsure about where things are truly headed. During this time, I've had other girls show interest in me, but I turned them down because my heart has remained with her. Waiting has not been a burden to me because I really do like her so much. But there are moments when I can't help but wonder if I'm making the right choice. Am I being patient and faithful, or am I just holding on to something uncertain? With this, I wanted to ask if you could give me some advice, guidance, or even just a different perspective. I know that love requires patience and understanding, but at the same time, I want to be wise in my decisions. Thank you for taking the time to read this. Any words you could share with me would mean a lot.